Alright, so I've got one strand on my needle, and I'm going to, so as you can see, there's a natural line. Okay, it just goes that way. So we're going to follow it as if we were following it with a pencil, and we're just going to color the line really with a back stitch. So the back stitch is this way. You come from the back, and then you move along a little bit further down the line, go down, then you come back, but you don't come back straight next to it. As you can see, come back a little bit further down, and you go back through the first hole. So it does make a joint line, but in little increments. So again, you go back out a bit and back on. You move. This is why it's a back stitch, because you come back on yourself. Okay, so we've done the first line, and we're going to keep going. And what I suggest is that you really follow exactly how you traced it, because it will look like you've sketched it, and it's really nice actually to follow your sketched line with your thread, because it looks like you've just drawn it, and it's really sweet. If you make it too regular, too nice, too straight, it loses this, the whole effect. And you are hand embroidering, you're not machine embroidery. So now we're going to do the edge of it, and we're going to basically do a back stitch along the edge of where you've already done the stitch, and that is to define it a bit better, so it looks a bit neater and nicer. But like I said before, this is your project, and you might want to experiment with different ways of doing it, different amount of thread, different style. So please, make sure you follow your instinct, because at the end of the day, the most important thing about this project is that you do something that it's fun, relaxing, and that you're proud of. So that's really the whole purpose of it. We're almost done. Got a couple more lines to do. One here, and then one on the other side. And there you go. The first design of the Stitch Along Challenge. And tomorrow we'll be working on the hot chocolate mug, and that is it for today. So have fun with it. Like I said, and I can't say it enough, this whole challenge is designed for you to take time out for yourself and to enjoy either learning a new skill or practicing something that you already know and that you really enjoy doing, which is hand embroidery. So if you have any questions, if you're stuck with anything, if you don't understand one of the some of the instructions, please get in touch, because I'm here for that. And also it's great feedback for me. And that's it for today. So I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.